reality is the digital information age is here. How do we develop skills for the millennial student athlete to maintain a cutting edge level of performance in today's world? And that's the challenge for all of us as coaches. Now, scientists have proven that we can train our brain the same way. That literally, just like we train the physical body, we can train our brain the same way that we trained our physical body 25 years ago. And there are some easy steps to train our thought life to be able to perform at optimum performance levels at crunch time.
Parrish is one of the leading providers of EQ education and skill-based development for athletes. EQ for young athletes.